Welcome to Hardcourts, Diego Traglia here, and today I am with Maurice Hawkins. How are you, Maurice?
Very well, thanks, Diego.
Good. Now, just a little story before we'll get to have a bit of a chat with Maurice. I actually met Maurice through the process of buying my house, even before I started with Hardcourts, and so yeah, that was last year at some stage, and you helped me and Jess to move into Messi.
Yeah, and that was it was really a nice experience because it was lovely to see you get a home, and that's one of the pleasing aspects of being a mortgage advisor, where you get to see families and young people get a start in life. It's great.
Yeah, I got a couple of questions, and one of the main ones for me is people ask me, you know, almost on a daily basis, why should I go with a mortgage broker versus should I just go with a bank, because my bank manager is very helpful. You know, I had a friend of mine told me my bank manager is really nice and I'm sure he's going to give me a good deal. And you know, so what would you say in this case?
Well, I would say that I've got access to all the major banks and all the major lenders. Every person's home purchase or home loan finance is special and unique to them. So sometimes it's possible to get not a special deal, but to get a good package for a particular purchaser. That involves being able to go to all sources. When you go to your own bank, you have only one bank, and our experience as an advisor says that even at your own bank, it's possible that we can get a better interest rate with that same bank and same information, because we have the experience of how to present the information to the bank, and of course they know they're in a competitive situation.
Yeah.
You know, so I think probably it's relatively stress-free because they know that someone else is doing it. They don't have to try and fit it in around the normal course of their daily work, because we do it all the time. We're experienced in it, we know the jargon, and you know, we can keep them updated as the process goes on.
So it really just makes sense, right? I mean, can be already stressful to, you know, be in the process of buying a house, and you know, having someone like yourself who's going to make it easy from the finance point of view. So it's kind of like a no-brainer.
I think so. I think like every industry and profession, there are things that relate to that, and clearly I know the ones around home loans. We can go to the banks on your behalf. You don't need to spend that time, suffer the, I guess, anxiety of doing it and wondering what your result might be, because we keep you up to date all the time, and we deal with particularly with the specialist groups within the bank, so they're dealing with our type of work all the time, and therefore potentially more quickly.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for coming to talk to me.
My absolute pleasure, and thank you for inviting me, and I'm glad you're still loving your home. Say hi to Jess for me.
All right, thank you very much.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Cool.